Most people tend to replace things as soon as they stop working. Getting a new phone, adopting new habits, starting new relationships, or implementing new plans. This approach feels faster, cleaner, and easier. However, there is another type of person who pauses rather than discarding. They look at what is broken and ask, "Can this be fixed?" This question reveals a powerful psychology. People who prefer fixing rather than replacing are not just saving money or time. They cultivate a mindset that builds resilience, depth, and long-term advantages. The first key trait is patience. Fixers understand that value often lies behind effort. When something breaks, the immediate reaction for most people is frustration. The brain craves relief and quickly opts for the fastest solution, replacement. In contrast, fixers tolerate that discomfort. They slow down and investigate. This creates a psychological gap between impulse and action, allowing for better decision-making. Over time, this habit enhances emotional control. They become less reactive and more deliberate. Another important aspect is a strong sense of ownership. People who fix things take responsibility for their environment. Instead of thinking, "This is useless," they ask, "What can I do about it?" This mindset extends beyond objects and applies to careers, relationships, and personal growth. When faced with challenges, they don't immediately seek to escape. Instead, they look for ways to repair, improve, or adapt. This fosters a deep sense of control over their lives, which is a powerful driver of confidence. Additionally, fixers have a problem-solving orientation. They enjoy understanding how things work. When something fails, it becomes a puzzle rather than a burden. Their mindset shifts from frustration to curiosity, which is crucial because curiosity reduces stress. When you're curious, you engage eagerly and learn, making challenges interesting rather than overwhelming. Over time, this trains the brain to approach problems creatively rather than avoid them. There is also a deeper psychological reward in fixing. When you repair something, you experience a sense of mastery. You've taken something broken and made it functional again, which reinforces your sense of competence. Replacement provides a quick external reward but doesn't build skills. Fixers accumulate small wins that compound into real abilities, becoming increasingly capable as they engage with challenges rather than bypassing them. This mindset also shields against what psychologists call the novelty trap. Modern life constantly promotes newness, new products, trends, and upgrades. While chasing fresh stimulation feels exciting, it can diminish long-term satisfaction. Fixers operate differently. They extract more value from what they already have, fostering appreciation and reducing the constant need for more. Their satisfaction deepens rather than quickens. In relationships, this psychology is even more significant. Many people treat relationships like disposable items, opting for new connections when conflicts arise. Fixers, however, approach relationships with a different mindset. They understand that every connection will face friction. Instead of fleeing at the first sign of difficulty, they communicate, adjust, and work through problems. This doesn't mean they tolerate unhealthy situations. Rather, they don't abandon something valuable simply because it requires effort. This approach often leads to stronger, more meaningful connections. There is a strong connection between fixing things and long-term thinking. People who take the time to repair things naturally broaden their time horizon. They focus on durability, sustainability, and future impact, applying this mindset to money, health, and personal habits. Rather than chasing quick results, they build systems that endure, creating stability. While others experience cycles of constant change, those who fix things enjoy steady progress. However, this mindset is not about mindlessly fixing everything. There is a clear distinction between persistence and attachment. Effective fixers know when something is worth repairing and when it is truly beyond repair. Awareness is key. They evaluate the effort versus the outcome. If the repair leads to growth, learning, or the preservation of something valuable, they invest their time and energy. If it drains energy without providing any return, they move on. This balance helps prevent burnout. Another hidden advantage of this approach is the strength of identity. When you consistently fix things, you start to see yourself as capable and resourceful. This shift in identity influences how you approach challenges in life. Problems become opportunities to apply your skills, and you trust yourself more because you have evidence of your ability to handle difficulties. This self-trust reduces anxiety, making you less dependent on perfect conditions. In a world focused on constant replacement, fixers gain a significant edge by cultivating depth and developing skills over convenience. They establish stability while others chase change, leading to substantial differences over time. Fixing also fosters delayed gratification by encouraging the prioritization of long-term rewards over short-term relief. By investing time and effort into repairs, individuals enhance their future orientation and align their actions with long-term goals, which benefits areas such as finances, health, and career decisions. Fixers develop a higher tolerance for imperfection, recognizing that systems, whether skills, routines, or relationships, are not meant to be flawless, but adjustable. This mindset reduces the pressure to chase perfection and encourages progress. By understanding that improvement is a process, you become more consistent and less discouraged by minor setbacks. To adopt this mindset, start small. When something isn't working, pause and assess whether it's the whole system, the approach, or just a small part. Focus on repairing one element, even if it requires extra effort. The true benefit of fixing lies not in the repaired object, but in the resilient mindset you cultivate, which can handle pressure, solve problems, and create value from challenges. In a world of quick replacements, this mindset is both rare and powerful.